Markup, the easiest way to leave feedback on digital content. I'm serious. This is the easiest thing that we do to get website edits. So let's jump right in. Head over to Google, hit Markup, jump right in. So when you get over here, you can just log in or you can sign up. If you already have a link to a project or something, you don't even need to do this. Once you're in Markup, just go up to the box here to enter a URL, or you can upload an image. So sometimes if you receive a link to Markup, it'll be an actual website or just an image that you can mark up. So once you've got your project loaded, or if you've received a link to collaborate on a project, this is the screen you'll see. So it's pretty much the most simplest thing you can do. Point anywhere on the screen, click, and make a task or a comment. Let's take a look at that. Point, click, type in a task. Change these pillows to blankets. All right. From here, you can make some text bold if you want to. You can make some text italic. You can underline some text. You can make a checklist, 1, 2, 3. You can add a link to another URL or another website. You can upload some files here. You can even record a video. And then you click post, and you'll see that over here on the left-hand side, you'll see that you have a comment there, which is basically, I think a lot of people use this tool to just assign tasks. So really, this is not a place for like conversations, questions, things like that. Really, we use it specifically just for tasks, like change this to that, remove this picture, upload this picture, things like that. So the next thing I want to show you really quick is down here at the bottom left of the screen. You'll see the little computer here. If you click that right here in the middle, you can switch the view from tablet and mobile. And this is important if you want to see what the site or the image looks like on different devices, if applicable. So you can do that and add comments on those screens as well. So I wanted to show you that. And then most people are like, hey, how do I navigate this website? Right here at the bottom, you have this comment and browse button down here at the bottom. So if you want to switch pages, just click browse. Let's go to red card. So once you're on that page, click comment, and let's open that window back up. Maybe it won't let us, but let's change this color, change this font color to blue. Real simple. Click post, and we're done. So in this tool, you can add all kinds of different images. You can upload files. You can add as much content as you want. I wonder how many characters you're allowed to have here. I've copied 3,000 words. Let's see if I can paste those all in there. Yeah, it lets you put a lot of words in there. You could really write a lot of content in there. So if you really wanted to, well, maybe not. It won't let you post it. Okay, so I erased a lot of words, but still, I mean, there's a lot of words. I don't know the exact word count. We can find out, but that's a lot of words you can add there. If you had a lot more words, you can just add another comment and add more words. There you go. So that's pretty much how to use Markup. Very, very simple. Go ahead and mark up the project and tell us what to do, and we'll reach out to you very soon.